Did you dress yourself today? Do you think those pants are too short? Say hi to Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Look at the camera and say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say, where's Paco? Look at the camera.
Where's Paco?
Nice matching outfit, and the pants, I think, are a size 2. Can you do ballet? Jump. How old are you?
2 cats.
And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
Mommy.
No, what's your name?
2.
Yeah. What's Mommy's name?
Mom, she asked.
Oh, what's Daddy's name?
Dad, she asked.
What's Daddy?
Dad, my dad.
He's nice? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.